Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to write data for into a Excel sheet by using OpenPy Excel. Means in my previous video we saw about how to write data for Excel sheet, right? Now in this video we are going to see how we can able to achieve to write data from Excel. Now I'm going to create a file which is a write Excel. Now we can take the path here. Now I'm going to use for sync path, but the same file, but I'm going to use for sheet 2, not sheet 1. Now I use for sheet 2. Is it sheet 2? Okay. Now we are able to up to like a workbook and getting workbook and again we are going to take for that workbook value and all the same format only and nothing different, but we can able to use to save that workbooks by using that workbook by name. And if you want multiple you can able to take the multiple also. Now I want to write in a sheet 2, I want to write some value. In runtime we can able to use some value to provide and we can able to create our own reusable method and all. Now in this location we are going to see a some example type how we can able to write it. Okay, just I'm going to give my name only, welcome Lokesh. Then I need to print for the for 4 to 6 lines and we need to print it for R in the range, means R is indicate for our rows 1 comma 6 means up to 1 to 5 lines I need to print like that. Okay, for C is indicate the column, the range of 1 to 4. Okay, now I want to print a value, means I want to set the value. For this set dot a cell, I'm going to use a row equal to R, comma, column equal to C. Then I'm going to use the value, means we are need to set the value here. Then I'm going to use for welcome Lokesh. Okay, and after that I'm going to use for my print. Not required print, but we need to close that. We are able to write the value into that particular one, but we need to close the workbook, because once we close the workbook, that only we can able to save, right? We can able to save and we can able to use the path, same path. Then it will save our path. Or else I'll remove length will come welcome only. Okay. Now what I done here is first I read the path where our file is presented. I'm closing this file. Okay, now I closed my file. Now this is my file path and this is my workbook to read that entire workbook, and this is the sheet, which sheet I need to write, and what is the position I want to read, means how many rows, how many columns. There is a 5 columns I want to and 5 rows and 3 columns I need to read. Right, and this is the one to the position is providing here we are going to setting for the value for that particular cell, each cell. And after everything is done, we are going to save all the data here. If you are not save, it will not save, right? It will wait only. Now I'm going to use my condition, that is a white xml dot py. Cell appearance presented. You can able to see whether it is printed or not. Now you can able to see welcome, welcome, welcome 3, like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. Okay, this is like a hard coded value which is I presented, and even we can able to create one reusable method for that, and we can able to read data for write data for that, and that all the things we'll see into our data driven framework when I'm going to explain, right? That time we can able to see that. For before data driven purpose, I made it for this tool, like how to read data from Excel and how to write the data from Excel, like that I show you. Once you practice this one, then we can able to start for data driven. You can able to understand how it will goes and all. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.